everyone, and welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you're all well out there, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of these adorable, fabulous little dominoes that I made. So I had to get on the dominoes bandwagon. I've been seeing them all over Instagram, and I thought I gotta pick up some of these molds and make some of these for myself. And I was deeply moved to use some pink and purple and gold. And so that's what we are using in these little babies. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you do. Also check out the video's description for all the products used, including the domino mold and all the pigments. Okay, so we're gonna start with the mold here. I decided that I wanted to try to add some gold on the little holes, or the little, I don't know what to call these, the little nubs that signify the numbers on the dominoes. I decided let's try to put these on first. And so I did that on one set because I wanted to see how it's going to come out. But it was really time consuming and kind of messy. And so that's why I only did one, and we'll see how it turns out. So here is my baby pink mica pigment. This is brand new to my store. Gorgeous color. Beautiful, as you can see there, lovely light pink. We're also going to use some Amethyst Aurora glitter. This is restocked. I did run out, but it has been replenished in the store. Beautiful holographic purple. And we're also going to use the Fuchsia Color Cream Pigment Paste from my Color Joy line. This is a really vibrant pink, as you can see here. And I just thought these three were going to be lovely together. And we are going to incorporate some Amethyst Color Cream in a little bit, but we'll get to that in a minute. Look at how beautiful this color is. Just fantastic. It's stunning. This would be beautiful in flowers as well. And just getting a really nice consistency, mixing this really, really well. I wish I could tell you guys how much resin I used, but I really can't because I did several layers of this. I ran out, I had to make more, and I really was not keeping track. I was kind of just eyeballing, so I apologize about that. So if you want to watch my technique here, I wanted each of these to look different, and I'm just going to lay in a little bit of each color in random patterns. As you can see, we're just literally haphazardly drizzling it on. So easy. Absolutely no talent required. And we're going to do the same with the Amethyst Aurora, drizzling it haphazardly all over the place. Getting the look that I was totally going for. And of course now we will come in with the fuchsia and do the same thing. And I'm actually using art resin for these. I haven't used art resin in a while, but it's a great resin. And I decided that's what I wanted to use for these. I really like the consistency that I get with art resin, and that's what I was kind of looking for with my haphazard technique here. So there was some forethought that went into this, just so you know. This is only a few hours later, so I did hit it with some heat to pop any bubbles, and that kind of helped our resin spread out as well and fill out the little domino shape. But I did want to add some more Amethyst Aurora because I really wanted to make sure we weren't going to lose that sparkle. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of going back over each domino and reapplying some more of this Amethyst Aurora where I already see it. So you know how I just kind of haphazardly put it in? Well, now I'm actually kind of following where I had that, or adding a little bit more in if I don't feel like there's enough, because I really did want these to be sparkly and I wanted the Amethyst Aurora to really shine and come through. And so that is what I'm doing here. And now that that is done, we're going to come in with beautiful amethyst here. Such a deep, beautiful purple. And again, just kind of drizzling over the whole thing in different shapes. So as you can see, because things are still kind of mushy. Like these weren't totally cured, they weren't totally hard. I wanted some of this amethyst pigment to pop through. I wanted you to be able to see it a little bit, and we did achieve that. And then what I'm gonna do is let this cure. Oh, and here I had some extra, so I'm making these little hearts. By the way, if you got any of the May art boxes, you got a little bonus thank you with these adorable keychain heart molds. I love to throw little extra goodies in the boxes, and I threw these heart molds in. So I hope everybody that got a May art box is enjoying these little molds. I do have only like 5 or 6 May art boxes left, guys, so get on over there and get yours if you want one. Okay, so these have cured, but there was still a tiny bit of room left in the dominoes, and I really wanted these totally filled. So I'm just gonna go through with some more amethyst color cream and just fill out all of these. So those are all filled out. We hit with some heat, and these were from the other day, so I'm demolding them. Look at how adorable. These are so cute, and actually each of my kids' teachers and their bus driver is getting a keychain for the last day of school tomorrow. Look at how beautiful these are. These colors, I just love them together. This is a great color combo, you guys. So if you're looking for inspiration, I hope this did it for you. I did want to go in with a different gold metallic and just fill these out a little bit more. I think they're just stunning. I love the gold with these colors. I think it turned out fabulous. Look at that amethyst aurora in there, and with the fuchsia and the baby pink and the amethyst color cream, I just think they're gorgeous. I think they're stunning. I love these so much. I'm so happily surprised with how these turned out. So if you guys want any of these products, check out the video's description. Everything will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep on pouring.